So never settle has been the tagline for OnePlus since its first device back in 2014. Fast forward to now, today, 2019, we're here talking about the OnePlus 7 Pro. Big shout out to T-Mobile again for hooking us up with this, and this is our review. The 6.6 inch QHD Plus display is like really bright. Vivid colors, many pixels, and OLED panel ideal for dark mode. And along with that, they put in a faster refresh rate. So this has a 90 Hertz refresh rate. This makes everything more faster, more fluid, swiping, scrolling, touch responses, and everything. So this definitely comes in handy in regards to gaming. So if you're thinking, so just to compare, a really good 4K or even 1080p has 240 Hertz refresh. Most affordable ones have 120. So 60 Hertz is probably about what is in your regular any other average smartphone. Outside of the select gaming phones like the Razer and the Asus that have 120 Hertz, this has a 90. So it's a nice in between where you get you better than average, but not quite to the full gaming side of things. You got dual stereo speakers. These are tuned by Dolby Atmos. Viewing, listening, everything, taking a call on the speakerphone, everything is loud, like not overbearingly, but just loud and full of clarity. So we already talked about the fast display, but in regards to the actual performance, it too is also fast. We have the Snapdragon 855 CPU, 8 gigs of RAM, and 256 gigs of fast UFS storage. So ridiculous speed and responsiveness throughout the entire experience. So on the battery side of things, you have a massive 4,000 milliamp battery. Got me about a day and a half, close to what I was getting to with the Note 9, which also has the same size battery. Now, we already talked about the cameras in a separate video. Make sure to have a card as well, a card somewhere on here, and then a link to it below. The software is Oxygen OS on top of Android 9 Pie. It's still stock Android with, there maybe a few icon tweaks, a few other little things that they had to kind of make it their own. So this has shelf area, customizable screenshots, various modes of reading, night, zen, and gaming, and then while still retaining Google's digital well-being. And on top of all that, you have a great history of OnePlus, who I guess worked closely with Google to make sure that the OnePlus devices get those updates right on the heels of the Pixel. So this is an interesting one for us because the last time we've really handled a OnePlus device was the OnePlus One. So this is back when they were using the Cyanogen mod. OnePlus shows phone makers how to make a good premium device and still be affordable. While the tagline never settle still applies here, it may not apply 100%, but they definitely didn't settle for too much. I had to do it, I know. Let us know how you feel about it. I know everybody has theirs by now, so let us know how you loving yours. If you're loving yours, what you'd like to see better. Sound off below, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you next video. Peace.